Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best garage door seal is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for maintaining a clean, dry, and pest-free garage, acting as a crucial barrier against water, dust, debris, and even unwanted critters that can infiltrate your space, ultimately protecting your stored belongings and the garage floor itself from damage and deterioration caused by the elements. Number 5. Universal Garage Door Rubber Threshold Strip. Crafted from high-quality EPDM rubber, this threshold is built to last. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures and daily use without cracking or shattering, making it suitable for various surfaces. Prevent water, leaves, dust, and snow from entering your garage. It forms a tight seal, reducing condensation and keeping your space cleaner, drier, and quieter. This seal creates a tight fit, keeping your garage cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, saving you money. Installation is quick and simple. You can easily cut it to your desired length with a sharp knife or shears to fit any gap up to 10 feet. Featuring a bright yellow safety strip for high visibility and anti-slip ridges, it helps prevent accidents. The grooved base ensures excellent adhesion with sealant. Designed to be universal, it fits most garage doors. The generous length ensures you have enough to cover your needs, with a little extra for a perfect fit. What we like. This one is made from excellent EPDM rubber, built to last through extreme temperatures and daily car rolling. It features a bright yellow safety strip and anti-slip ridges for enhanced visibility and traction. If you're looking for a durable and safe option that keeps your garage dry and clean, this is a great choice. What people say. The rubber threshold is durable and has held up well against vehicle traffic. It effectively seals the garage door, preventing water and debris from entering. The installation was straightforward, and the threshold stays in place securely. Number 4. ToLanbbt Universal Garage Door Rubber Threshold Strip. Crafted from flexible EPDM rubber, this threshold seal is built to last. It can withstand extreme temperatures and daily use without cracking or shattering, making it suitable for various surfaces. Prevent water, leaves, dust, and snow from entering your garage. It forms a tight seal, reducing condensation and keeping your space cleaner, drier, and quieter. This seal creates a tight fit, keeping your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, saving you money. Installation is quick and simple with the included adhesive. You can easily cut it to the perfect length for your needs, ensuring a custom fit for any garage door. The bright yellow safety strip ensures high visibility for both people and vehicles. Anti-slip ridges provide added safety, preventing slips and falls. Its unique serrated base design creates an ideal surface for the sealant, ensuring excellent adhesion to both the floor and the seal itself. What we like. This option comes with 300 ml of black adhesive for a convenient, all-in-one installation. It's also made from EPDM rubber and includes a bright yellow safety strip. If you prefer a hassle-free setup and want to ensure a secure, long-lasting seal without needing to purchase adhesive separately, this is the product for you. What people say. It was easy to install and cut to size. It seals the garage door well and keeps out water and debris. The rubber material is durable and looks good. Number 3. 40-foot white garage door weather stripping. Tired of drafts, dust, and moisture invading your garage? This weather stripping provides a tight seal on the top and sides, keeping your space cleaner, drier, and more comfortable year-round. Crafted from high-quality TPE, this seal remains stable and flexible in extreme temperatures. It's designed to withstand both super cold and hot weather, ensuring long-lasting protection. Create a perfect fit between your garage door and the floor. This helps to save energy by keeping your garage warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Replacing old weather stripping is quick and easy. Simply apply the adhesive backing and secure it with the included screws for a reliable fit. With 40 feet of coverage, this seal is suitable for various garage door shapes. It offers comprehensive protection for your entire garage, ensuring all-round defense. What we like. This weather stripping offers a generous 40-foot length, perfect for comprehensive protection of both the sides and top of your garage door. It's made from flexible TPE material and features an adhesive backing for easy installation, with optional reinforcement using nails. If you need to seal all entry points of your garage and want a long-lasting, easy-to-apply solution, this is an excellent option. What people say. The rubber threshold is durable and withstands heavy vehicles. It effectively seals the garage door, preventing water and debris from entering. The installation was straightforward and the threshold stays in place securely. Number 2. Jin&Bao Universal Garage Door Threshold Seal Strip 20-foot Kit. Tired of a messy garage? This universal sealing strip is designed to keep water, snow, dust, and leaves out. Protect your space and enhance its appearance effortlessly. Engineered for extreme temperatures, it performs reliably from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. You can trust it to stay in place without cracking or drying out, ensuring long-term protection. Featuring a bright yellow safety strip for clear visibility, this seal also includes anti-slip ridges. Its unique base design ensures a strong bond with your floor. Get a professional result with a simple DIY installation. You can easily cut it to fit your specific needs, making it a perfect fit for any garage door up to 20 feet. This seal is suitable for various surfaces including concrete, asphalt, and treated floors. Its robust construction guarantees durability and reliable performance. Should you have any questions or require assistance, our dedicated customer support team is ready to assist you. We're committed to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This 20-foot kit is designed for do-it-yourself installation and is built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes a yellow safety strip and anti-slip ridges for added safety. If you have a smaller garage or are looking for a reliable, easy-to-install solution that offers excellent durability in various weather conditions, this is a solid pick. What people say. The rubber threshold is durable and has held up well against vehicle traffic. It effectively seals the garage door, preventing water and debris from entering. The installation was straightforward and the threshold stays in place securely. Number 1. 20-foot Universal Garage Door Bottom Threshold Seal Strip. Tired of water, dust, and leaves entering your garage? This universal threshold seal strip is designed to create a tight barrier, keeping your space cleaner and drier. Crafted from flexible EPDM rubber, this seal is built to last. It withstands extreme temperatures and harsh weather, ensuring it won't crack or break over time. Reduce energy loss and save on heating or cooling costs. By sealing gaps, it helps maintain a more comfortable temperature in attached garages. Measuring up to 20 feet, you can easily cut this strip to fit your specific garage door. Installation is quick and simple, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Protect your garage from the elements and enjoy peace of mind. This seal provides excellent durability and a reliable barrier against water and wind. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a 180-day warranty and friendly customer service with your purchase. What we like. This 20-foot seal strip comes with 20 ounces of glue gel, making installation straightforward and ensuring a tight seal. It's made from durable EPDM rubber designed to withstand harsh weather and daily use. If you're looking for a complete kit that provides excellent sealing, dustproofing, and insulation, and you want to save energy costs, this is a highly suitable choice. What people say. The rubber threshold is durable and has held up well against vehicle traffic. It effectively seals the garage door, preventing water and debris from entering. The installation was straightforward and the threshold stays in place securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.